Okay guys, welcome back sa ating video at meron tayong dumating na items. So, syempre meron siyang label, may fragile at ito po ay Shopee Express. So, okay, kulay orange po, and then ramdam ko po na meron siyang bubble wrap. Okay, so buksan na po natin, no, para makita natin yung laman niya, no, kung ano yung nasa loob. So, alright, nakita naman naka bubble wrap, ano. At meron siyang karton, no? And then ayun. So, ano meron dito? Alright, so meron tayo dito Clotera Prebiotic Food Supplement available in drugstores near you. Clotera, no? Okay, siya para siyang Yakult pala, no. Ayan, no. Ay, may libre. Pang ano? Prebiotic strain that help improve digestion, help enhance natural resistance and to instant infection, help enhance not just for emergency. Prebiotics made for every day. Okay, so strawberry flavor siya, no. Ito guys, so may libre pa, no. Alright, so meron tayo ditong saan kaya yung yun, ito siya. So 40 plus 10 pieces yata. So 50, libre yung 10, ano. Pero 40 lang yung ating nabili. Pero libre na po yung 10 pieces. So 50 siya. At meron pala ditong okay, so 40 pieces na lang pala to, no. So almost meron tayo ditong 90 pieces. Okay, so yun lang guys, and thank you for watching po.